Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Infiniti G37. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine running or the ignition in the on position. Next, find the phone button, usually located on your dashboard or steering wheel. Simultaneously, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth function, ensuring it is discoverable for new connections. This initial step prepares both your car and phone for the pairing process ahead. Once you've pressed the phone button, navigate through the on-screen menu to select the option to connect new device. Your Infiniti G37's display will then present a unique 4-digit PIN code. This code is crucial for security. Immediately, look at your mobile device. It should be prompting you to enter a PIN. Carefully input the exact 4-digit code shown on your car's screen into your phone to authorize the connection. This step links your devices. After successfully entering the 4-digit PIN, your mobile device should display a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Simultaneously, your Infiniti G37 Infotainment system will also confirm that your device is now paired and actively connected. At this point, you are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your car's Bluetooth system. This includes making and receiving hands-free phone calls and streaming your favorite audio directly through your vehicle's speakers, enhancing your driving experience. Should you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your mobile phone and your Infiniti G37 infotainment system. Also, ensure that no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your car, as this can sometimes prevent new connections. For any specific model variations or persistent problems, always consult your Infiniti G37 owner's manual. It contains detailed information tailored to your vehicle, ensuring a smooth setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.